Please give me one chance tonight, and I will prove myself completely.
You only wash dishes here, so stop dreaming about becoming professional chefs.
I understand my position, but cooking remains my biggest dream forever, honestly.
Dreams never matter inside kitchens, because only results truly matter every single night.
Why are customers still waiting while this kitchen looks completely chaotic tonight?
Everything remains under control, boss, so dinner service continues running smoothly tonight.
The steak sauce needs additional herbs. The flavor tastes slightly weak currently.
Nobody asked your opinion because dishwashers understand absolutely nothing about professional cooking techniques.
I only wanted helping, because customers deserve tasting the best possible meals tonight.
Return immediately toward your sink before creating unnecessary problems during dinner service tonight.
Yes, sir, but someday everybody here will recognize my true abilities proudly.
Poor workers like you never become respected chefs inside luxury restaurants successfully anywhere.
One opportunity could completely change my entire life forever, honestly, someday.
Finally, everybody left tonight, so now I can practice cooking peacefully alone. This garlic aroma reminds me beautifully about my mother's homemade pasta during childhood. The butter melts perfectly while these fresh herbs create incredibly rich flavors tonight.
This sauce honestly tastes amazing and deserves serving inside expensive restaurants everywhere proudly.
What exactly are you doing inside my kitchen after closing hours tonight, secretly?
I only wanted improving my cooking skills through constant practice every single night.
You seriously believe secret practice transforms poor dishwashers into respected master chefs someday?
One opportunity could completely change my future and prove my hidden talent honestly.
Dreams never help desperate workers survive competitive restaurant businesses successfully anywhere today, honestly.
I may remain poor today, but someday customers will admire my cooking proudly.
Throw that sauce directly inside garbage before leaving immediately tonight without further arguments.
I tasted this sauce already, and customers would honestly love eating meals similar.
You should stop embarrassing yourself because nobody believes your fantasy dreams.
One day you will finally understand why I never stopped believing myself honestly.
Everybody listen carefully because Elena Moretti arrives tonight unexpectedly for dinner service.
Relax, boss. My cooking easily impresses critics and important customers everywhere. One bad review tonight could ruin this restaurant's future permanently.
Chef Marco, the grill temperature looks dangerously high for tonight's expensive steak.
Mind your own business, professional chefs know cooking temperatures best.
The flames appear unusually strong tonight, and lowering them slightly seems safer.
Return to your sink before causing problems during tonight's important dinner service.
I only wanted to help because customers deserve properly prepared meals every night.
Stop interfering constantly because washing dishes remains your responsibility inside this kitchen always.
I heard this restaurant serves exceptional meals, so hopefully tonight is memorable.
You will absolutely enjoy tonight's dinner because our chefs prepare extraordinary dishes carefully.
My special steak recipe always impresses important guests and wealthy customers successfully everywhere.
Please watch the steak carefully, because the flames continue rising dangerously higher tonight, honestly. I said stop talking constantly because you distract me during important preparations tonight.
This steak will impress Elena tonight perfectly.
Tonight's restaurant feels very busy with wealthy guests. Chef Marco, smoke rises because the steak burns badly. Relax. Experienced chefs always control stressful situations. The meat smells burnt, and customers will notice immediately.
Stop talking! You're distracting me during dinner preparations.
Please remove the steak before disaster destroys everything tonight. Oh no! The steak burned because this phone distracted me! I warned you earlier because the flames look dangerous tonight. Cover the burned meat with sauce before anyone notices tonight. You cannot serve this terrible steak because Elena will notice. I am the head chef here, so obey my orders immediately. This mistake could destroy the restaurant after Elena complains publicly. Take this plate to Elena and stop speaking tonight.
This steak tastes terrible and lacks passion and balance tonight.
I sincerely apologize. We can prepare another fresh meal immediately.
No thanks, I already experienced terrible cooking tonight here.
There must be misunderstanding because we always serve excellent meals.
A kitchen without passion eventually fails, despite wealthy customers honestly.
Please reconsider, because one bad review could destroy our business.
Then your chefs should respect food before serving terrible meals.
She warned everyone earlier because the steak burned unattended tonight.
Enough talking because somebody must accept responsibility for tonight's disaster.
Leo distracted me constantly during tonight's important dinner preparations, honestly.
That is false, because I warned everyone about dangerous flames earlier.
I refuse excuses because customers already witnessed enough embarrassment tonight.
It was never my fault because I genuinely tried helping everyone.
You are fired immediately, so leave this restaurant tonight permanently.
I will leave quietly, but someday you will regret humiliating me.
Poor workers like you never succeed because dreams eventually fail.
One day, customers everywhere will respect my meals and talent forever.
I lost my job tonight. But losing hope hurts worse, honestly.
I may have nothing now, but my dream still lives forever.
You look exhausted and hungry, so take this warm bread kindly.
Thank you, because your kindness means everything tonight, honestly. Never abandon dreams, because difficult nights create stronger, successful people.
I promise, failure will never destroy my future dreams permanently.
The building is old and damaged, but rent remains very cheap.
I will work harder than ever and pay rent every month.
You remind me of myself younger, so follow your dreams fearlessly.
Thank you, because this opportunity could change my future forever, honestly.
This place looks peaceful and ready for customers tomorrow, happily.
I cannot afford decorations, but delicious food matters more, honestly.
Everything smells delicious, and this cafe feels peaceful and warm.
I will prepare fresh, homemade pasta with passion tonight, carefully.
This pasta tastes amazing and better than expensive restaurants nearby, honestly.
I never tasted anything this delicious before and want returning tomorrow.
Thank you, because your happiness reminds me why cooking feels special.
Your meals contain genuine love, and customers recognize true passion eventually.
I spent years dreaming about moments exactly like this, honestly.
I heard rumors about talented chefs, so I visited personally tonight.
It feels surprising seeing you here again after everything happened, honestly.
Please prepare something simple, because simple dishes reveal true talent better.
I will create tonight's meal using fresh ingredients and genuine passion.
This dish tastes incredible and surpasses luxury restaurant meals everywhere, honestly.
I cook from my heart because customers deserve genuine happiness always.
Tomorrow, everyone across Italy will read about your extraordinary cooking talent.
After years struggling painfully, somebody finally recognizes my true abilities tonight.
Talent shines whenever hard-working people refuse abandoning dreams despite failures, honestly.
We lost everything because terrible reviews destroyed our reputation completely, honestly.
People prefer Leo's restaurant because his meals contain genuine passion always. Firing Leo became the biggest mistake of my professional life forever. We treated him terribly before, and I regret everything deeply today. You both look exhausted, hungry, and completely different from arrogant previous years. We behaved terribly before and deserve every painful consequence happening today, honestly. Please forgive my arrogance because hurting you remains my biggest regret forever. Everybody deserves second chances after learning painful lessons through difficult experiences. You still show kindness despite everything painful we caused you before.